Guangdong Dongji Intelligent Device Company Limited, located in Jiangmen City, Guangdong Province, founded in 2011. Our factory covering 10,000 square meters, total 166 staffs, 25% of whom are technical personnel. Dongji is the high-tech enterprise and engineering technical center with more than 100 technical patents. We have obtained ISO 9001, CE, SGS, TUV, UL certificates, providing all kinds of smart machines, OEM and ODM, from design drawing to sample to mass production, as well as program development, docking, appearance design, sheet metal fabrication, assembly, testing. We will provide one-stop service. Products exported to more than 50 countries and regions, such as United States, Canada, Japan, Germany, Italy, Australia, and Southeast Asia. Dongji owns laser cutting machines, punching and bending machines, automatic welding machines and manual welding machines, polishing machines, fully automatic painting line, and products assembly lines. Products including sheet metal fabrication parts, kinds of stainless steel products, shell and enclosure of hardware appliances, combo vending machine, metal control cabinet, network control housing, equipment steel cover, metal frames, steel rack, and case. Dongji takes Chinese traditional culture and Inamori's philosophy as the guiding ideology, constantly improving management level and influence in the field of sheet metal fabrication. With the thinking of cooperation, share and win-win operation philosophy of integrity, striving to achieve the goal of spiritual and material rewards for all staffs.
We focus on OEM sheet metal fabrication and a comprehensive solution service for 10 years. Welcome, contact us.